Nothing comes together by chance. There is a reason in the way moments gather into meaning when attraction leads the way. What belongs begins to find me. What aligns begins to stay. Each connection has a pattern. Each arrival has its place. I feel the pull beneath the surface. Quiet forces at work inside. Pieces moving toward completion, drawn by something deep and wide. Combination brings direction. Attraction shapes the plan. Every part moves toward its purpose. When awareness understands what I hold begins to organize. What I choose begins to grow. Life assembles through alignment, more than effort ever could alone. I do not force what must come together. I allow it to reveal. Purpose moves through combination, making possibility real. The unseen